Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you have not like and subscribe the channel, please like and subscribe the channel. This is the place where you can learn Microsoft Intune. Today in this video, I am going to show you how you can solve Apple Watch unlock issue with MDM managed devices. So if you have paired your iPhone with Apple Watch and that iPhone is enrolled or registered with your Microsoft Intune MDM or any other MDM solutions, you may be seeing that when you away from your iPhone, and if you try to watch something or do something on your Apple Watch, it's asking for the passcode, right? So why Apple Watch is asking for passcode to unlock the Apple Watch, right? Because and you need an Apple iPhone to unlock the Apple Watch. So this is actually, it's crazy. It has to be solved, but yeah, in this video I'm going to show you what is the solution of this and how we can and let's understand more on this, how what is the issue and what is the limitation of this, right? We'll just try to solve this, or at least understand what whether if it's not possible to solve, then we can see what we can do with this Apple Watch and managed iPhone, right? So let's go to the second slides, right? You see here, you may be wondering why why iPhone is required to unlock the Apple Watch if it's paired with your iPhone, right? So you may be seeing this kind of error on your Apple Watch, saying that your iPhone has a policy that requires your Apple Watch to only be unlocked from iPhone. Enter your current passcode. So why is it asking for the passcode on your Apple Watch? So why? Because your iPhone as a security, you're getting this error on your Apple Watch because your iPhone as a security passcode profile apply through the MDM solutions, whether it's Intune or AirWatch or any other MDM solutions, and it is being applied to your Apple Watch, and that's why it's asking you to unlock, and it has to be unlocked from iPhone, right? So that is actually right, crazy. And you see, unlocking, when you unlock your iPhone, it will also unlock the Apple Watch, as long as you are wearing the Apple Watch. Okay, so this is the error you will get on your Apple Watch, just to show you. Now, what is the solutions to get out from this issue? The first solution is, you have two type of devices, right? You're managing through MDM solutions, so you will be managing probably two kind of devices, either the company owned devices or as a BYD devices, right? So when I say company owned iOS devices, so what is the solution for it? So for company owned devices, we normally apply the passcode policy so that the devices should be encrypted. But if you don't want to use, then you have to if you don't want to face this issue, then don't use the passcode policy, which is actually, it's not possible, right? Because it's a company managed devices, so it has to be passcode enabled. But yeah, this is the solution. Like, if you don't want to enforce any policy on company owned devices and just make them happy, the Apple Watch users, then don't apply the passcode policy. That is the only, but which is not possible, right? As normally don't allow any company. With the why we are using MDM, because we want to enforce the policy, right? So this is the first solution. Second one, you see here, use MAM, so mobile application management only, with enrollment or without enrollment. If you use the without enrollment, but I also don't see anyone can go for MAM for the company owned devices. So it's your choice, you have to decide. So I don't see any solution for now for company owned devices. Let's go into the private BYD, personally owned BYD devices. BYD is a bring your own devices, so that is called whatever you call personally on or uh, BYD devices. It's depend on you. Now what you can do, so you can enroll your BYD devices using Apple user enrollment program instead of traditional uh, program. So if you are working as MDM, you may be knowing managing Android as well. So maybe on the Android you will see the Android's enterprise work profile and personal side for BYD. So there are two sides of on Android devices. If you are managing your Android device, like you will have work side and the personal side on BYD devices, so that the data separation will be completely different. Similar like iOS, Apple has introduced that Apple user enrollment program. I have already made video, you can check out my video here. I have already put this link in the description. I will put in the video as well, so you can try using or exploring the Apple user enrollment program. There are many type of account driven, there are many type of enrollment types are there under the Apple user enrollment program, and this is especially for the BYD iPhone users, so that the data or the policy will not apply to the entire devices. It will only apply to the work side, right? Or you can use, since this is BYD devices, so you can use MAM only with enrollment or without enrollment, and don't enforce any passcode policy for the entire device. It's just, instead of applying the policy for entire devices, just use for the app passcode policy on which is available in the MAM. How you can use MAM, I have already made video, you can go through. So this is the solutions we have as of now. Now let's get out of the limitations. So what is known limitation and the expected behavior if you are doing so? So if you are applying any restrictions, if you applying any restrictions you set to your managed iPhone, it will also affect the Apple Watch, which is, this is Apple statement, right? Apple statement means they have, I will open an article, I will show you one article which is actually mentioned in this slide below. So if you apply any restrictions like passcode profiles through the MDM to your iPhone devices, it will also affect the Apple Watch when it is paired to the phone. And Apple Watch supports numeric passcode, even it will support alphanumeric and complex passcode as well. But Apple Watch support numeric passcode, and if your restrictions allow numeric passcode, Apple Watch respect that restrictions that you set through MDM or your iPhone. So this is actually its limitation, or what is expected behavior, which Apple has described in their article. And you see this article is intended for the administrator who use the configurations profile, mobile device management, or any exchange policy to manage passcode restrictions. So if I open, let me open this article. Okay, let's open this article quickly for you. So here is an article, and you see, if you can see here, this is the Apple sites, right? Supported apple.com, and you see here what is the how the passcode restrictions apply to your iPhone if it's paired with the Apple Watch, right? So these restrictions you set also affect the Apple Watch when it is paired to the managed phone. Apple Watch support numeric passcode if your restrictions allow numeric passcode. Apple Watch respect restrictions that you set. For example, you might require an iPhone passcode of at least 6 digit or 8 digit or 10 digit with no repeating digit. In this case, your user must create an Apple Watch passcode that also meet those requirements, right? Advise your user to set different passcode than the one they use on their iPhone. What about this alphanumeric and complex password? You see here, if you require an iPhone passcode that uses letter or a special characters, you can't set an Apple Watch passcode. Instead, your user must unlock their iPhone to unlock their Apple Watch. So you get this. So if you have want to set the alphanumeric or complex password, because we can't set in the Apple Watch, right? Apple Watch will only supports numeric passcode. So you must need iPhone to unlock the Apple Watch, right? So that is actually it's there. So instead of using alphanumeric, use numeric passcode in your MDM profile so that you can unlock it from Apple Watch without, and you don't need the Apple iPhone to unlock the Apple Watch, right? So it's your choice whether you want to apply the passcode policy with the numeric passcode or alphanumeric or complex passcode. The passcode will get applied, but the Apple Watch will only support numeric passcode. It will not support alphanumeric or complex. If you are applying alphanumeric and complex passcode, then you will, of course you will need iPhone to unlock the Apple Watch. This is there in the Apple portal, support portal. You can always go and refer and unlock, right? I hope you learn how to, what is the limitation, how to solve this, and what is the I can see this is the better solutions, right? I mean, instead of using alphanumeric and complex password, we can use the numeric passcode in the passcode. So that is the enough for the passcode is maybe 8 digit or 6 digit, but which will secure your iPhone and Apple Watch as well. Till then, thank you, have a good day, and don't forget to subscribe and like the channel. Goodbye.